Hello everyone, my name is Atulya Sharma. I am a data science business analytical intern at the Spark Foundation under GRIP program June 21. This video is for task force to perform an exploratory data analysis on global terrorism. The data set was provided us by the Spark Foundation. I have used Jupyter to perform the exploratory data analysis. Let's just look into it. I have started with importing important libraries and with loading data in the object named df. Here you can see the data set is quite big, which includes 181691 rows and 135 columns. I've made a descriptive statistics here, get the descriptive data. Then I performed an information and columns to get number of columns which are there. I have renamed the columns according to my preferences. And put it in place too, so that it is easier to me to handle and further exploratory analysis. In this point, at this point, I have descriptive statistics and include all variables, which will include all the categorical variable also, such as you can see there is extended column. There is it shows null values in the day, months, and years. It also shows null value. This is because it has. This is because uh, in the extended column you won't see any minimum or max values or 25 or 50 or 75%. This is because this is a categorical variable. Now I have removed all the duplicates from the data frame and put it in place of true. Now let's start with a DA. This is for to know the highest number of attacks of terrorism taking place in the country, ranking from highest to low in top 10 categories. This is the visualization that I've used, which shows that Iraq ranks at the tops, and while Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, and Colombia are among the top 5. Turkey is at the top 10. According to year, top 10 years, you can see here that 2014 has the highest number of terrorist attacks. On the basis of organizations which have done these kind of attacks, come to know as the number of attacks with the highest with 82782, which are still unknown, but the second highest is done by the Taliban. Now I have plotted a bar plot keeping region as one of the variables and the number of terrorist attacks. Here you can see Middle East and North Africa is the most affected area, whereas Australia and Oceania is the least one. Now on the basis of attack types, here you can see the bombing and explosion are the most common attack types of this terrorist groups, and the least ones are the hijacking. Now I have also plotted on the basis of target types. Okay, so we can see that the major targets are of these terror organizations are private citizens and the public properties. And secondly is military, and second and third is on military, and fourth is on government. Now let's look into India. On the basis of cities, Srinagar is the most affected cities. You can see on the top 10 countries, and I've made a plot regarding on this data, which shows that Srinagar is the most affected affected city in India, whereas Jammu is the least one. Now, for the inferences which I got from this doing exploratory data analysis, the most affected country is Iraq, ranking first in India at rank fourth. Taliban seems to do the most of attacks, ranking second, whereas major attacks is still unknown. Most affected region is Middle East and North Africa. Large number of attacks are of bombing and explosion, which leads to the loss of private citizens' lives and public property. For India, Srinagar is the most affected area. So that's all for this task 4. Do give your reviews. Thank you very much.